Hi all, Andy here and welcome back to the channel where today we're revisiting an old friend. Now this car is out of a very early episode of TT Meets TT and it is the P51 Mustang car, if you remember that episode. If you've not seen it then please do click the link above and you can see the car in its former glory. But today this car is up for sale and it's time for me to take you around this car and show you some of the great features, because you may be looking to buy a TT today and this could be the car for you. The old goat, as the car was called, has undergone quite a transformation since we last saw it here on the channel. Gone is the P51 Mustang hand painted livery, but the elements that made this car a fairly punchy little rocket remain. The car has been lovingly built over the last few years by its owner Steve, and there are a plethora of performance parts that would make this an attractive donor car for anyone wanting to boost their 225 or to take the car on as a running project. And this car comes with a full MOT, as it was only MOT today. So let's take a closer look at what the car has to offer after 3 years since we last looked at it. Now to start off, I can't really describe how it feels because it feels almost like it's been Artexed. And the car is painted in a Raptor paint system. And the first thing you want to do when you come up to this car is touch it, because it's a very much a hands-on car. I can't really describe it, but hopefully it will come out on the camera. And it's also got some really nice features, including these lovely wheels. This car has also been lowered and it's on lowering springs. And there's been a fair bit of work done under the bonnet. It also has a Milltek full system, an exhaust system from the turbo back. So that's a real benefit for anyone. Under the bonnet, it's got an induction kit by Pro Ram. It's also got a debaffled charge pipe. It's got an AirTech intercooler on the front of the car. And it's also got a Billy Cloude catch can. So they are some really nice features. Inside the car, it's also had a fair bit of work done. The door cards have been hand stitched and they look amazing. I'll give you a close-up of those here in the video also. It's also had a rear seat delete. Another great feature that I'm sure many of you want to do to your cars. So this car is up for sale right now for £1,500, which I think is a bargain because it's only got 140,000 on the clock and it's got these beautiful features. And of course, you may be looking at this for all those great features to put on your car, because you may not want the car, but you want the parts. So at £1,500, there's a lot of great car here for you to put on your car. Let's take a closer look at this car. So if you're interested in taking a closer look at this car, then you need to get in touch with Steve. Now you can do that through my channel. I won't reveal his details here on YouTube, but if you get in touch with me, I'll put you in direct contact with Steve and you can come have a look at this great car not too far from Tunbridge Wells. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon. Take care.